everyone, Dr. Carrie Scarf here again. This video covers how to change filters on the Phonak Marvel Hearing Aids. One of the most common reasons that hearing aids stop working is because their filter needs to be replaced. Step one with the Phonak Marvel Hearing Aids is to take the dome off of the hearing aid receiver. I like to use a Kleenex so that I get good retention on the dome. It's a little bit slippery sometimes. And I do hold the wires, the other wires, out of the way with my other hand. So pull, wiggle, and kind of twist the piece of the dome back and forth to take off the dome. That's step one. Step two is to change the little tiny filter deep inside the receiver. If you take a look at it, there should be one single white dot. If there's anything other than that, what you want to do is take out your little disc. It's actually called the cerushield disc. And take a good look at that. There's two little openings. Number one is a garbage can, and number two has a new filter. So what we want to do is take the end piece of the receiver on your hearing aid, push it down and kind of click it into place, pull it up, and now you'll see that we took the old receiver out of the hearing aid. Take that receiver again, push it down into slot number two, let it click into place, pull it out, and what you see is now that we have a new white little dot on the end, so that means there's a new receiver in place. And the final step is to just wiggle the dome piece back onto the receiver, just kind of like a piece of Lego. Make sure it's in place fully, nice and tight and snug, and you're ready to go. Congratulations, you just replaced your filter on the Phonak Marvel receiver in the Canal hearing aids. Good luck and stay safe.